How to create a Stripe account. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Stripe. Now click the very first thing that will appear right here and it will take you to another page. Now you will see some features and options here, but you just have to scroll down or go down below till you see this Start Now button. All you have to do is to tap that one. Once you tap that, and then it will take you directly to another page again where you need to type or enter your email address, your full name, your country, and also your password. Now, once done, you have to click this small box right here and then tap this create account. So once you tap this create account, you have to verify that you're 100% human and go to your email address to verify your email. After you have verified your email, you can go back to your Stripe and continue the process. Okay, so again, once you have verified everything, you can now click this test code and tap activate account where you need to enter some of the information here. All you have to do is to type the information that they needed. For example, we have here your business location, also your type of business. You must be very clear and correct here. After that, click continue. Now we have here business details. Under business details, you will see here that you need to type information like legal name, email address, date of birth, home address, state, phone number, and your SSS number. For business details, we have here your legal name, your TIN ID, and then business address if you have, state, zip, industry, business website, product description. Then after that, what you're going to do next is to click continue. After that, we have here fulfillment details. So, do you sell physical goods? Yes or no? Okay, and select your service here. So, click continue after that. Public details. So, you just have to add the information that is needed right here. After that, you can now proceed with your bank account. Add your bank account. Tap this add your bank, and then you have to select the name of your bank or the company here. If you can see it right here, then you can just easily or you can type it manually if you want. So routing number, account number, confirm account number, tap C. And then after that, you can now proceed with secure your account. So you need to tap this use an authenticator application or add a security key. Then add extras, tax calculation, climate contributions, but actually this one is optional. And then once you're done with this, then you can review and finish. Okay, so after you review, like you have entered the correct information here, you can tap finish and then you can go back to your Stripe and you will see that you can easily use some features there. So all you have to do is to verify and create an account in order for you to use this Stripe. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.